Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use old sketch pen, updated. Start by shaking the pen, testing on scrap, and priming the nib to coax ink flow. Inspect the tip for clogs and wipe gently with a tissue. If dry, use a tiny drop of water or pen solution to rehydrate the ink and stroke slowly until consistent lines return for reliable sketching. In this video, I will explain how to use old sketch pen, updated. Remove the nib and soak it in rubbing alcohol for a few minutes to loosen dried pigment, then brush gently with a soft toothbrush. Rinse with clean water and dry with a lint-free cloth or air dry horizontally. Reinsert the nib, prime, and test to ensure smooth, even lines before returning to your main artwork. In this video, I will review how to use old sketch pen, updated. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long creative bursts with the Owala water bottle, which seals tightly and fits most cup holders for studio or travel use. If this helped, please subscribe and like the channel to support future tips, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to use old sketch pen, updated. If ink is low, refill with a compatible pigment or add a few drops of fountain solution to revive flow. Store pens lying flat and cap them tightly to prevent air exposure. Keep a maintenance routine and label pens with service dates so you know which ones were restored and which need fresh ink next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.